Unahin muna natin yung mga damit ni Alex. So, siya kasi, si Alex, yung na-observe ko sa kanya, kung ilang araw lang talaga kami, yun lang din dala niya. So, ito yung mga pantulog niya lang. Dalawa lang din dala niya. Para isa-separate ko yung mga malalaking liquid kasi sa hand carries, hindi ka naman makapagdala ng more than 100 ml. So, ayan, most ng gamit namin, na-empake ko na dito. Yung mga wash bags na lang ni Alex, siguro kung may iba pa siyang mga ilalagay, yun yung sabi sa kanya siya na mag-ayos para mas alam niya. So, yan, lagay natin para sure, if ever man, although naka-tape to, pero sinusure ko pa din na, para in case lang na alam mo yun, mag-leak siya. Hindi sa damit namin. So, yung ilalagay ko lang dito sa maliit ko na bag. Since kasi may bagahe naman talaga si Alex. Ayan, so kung makikita nyo, ang dami ko dito mga dadalhin. So, yung pabango. So, ayan guys. Tapos, ayan, sabon niya. Siguro, dyan na lang natin ilagay. Ayan, tapos ito, off lotion. Alam niyo ba, lagi ko siya netong dinadalhan din. Kasi minsan, kahit saan kami pumunta, kahit dito lang sa Philippines, kasi pag umaalis kami, lagi ko siya netong dinadalhan. Kasi, ang bilis niyang kagatin ng lamok. So, pag kayo, kaya dinadala ko to lagi kasi hindi mo naman sure kung may lamok ba dun o wala. So, talagang sinusigurado pa lang. Okay, so, today, so we're going to Vietnam today. So, our flight is 10:50 in the evening. Yeah.
How long's the flight?
2.5 hours, almost 3 hours. So, we're gonna stay there for Christmas.
Who are we going with?
Don't ask me this question. You're gonna be thinking you don't know who we're going with.
No, I know who we're going with. I'm asking you to tell them.
Oh, our friends, Christine and her family. So we're gonna spend our Christmas there. So what do you expect in Vietnam then? What do you think we're gonna do there?
Well, you told me we're going on a river boating thing around the markets, the bus, the hop on, hop off bus.
Yeah.
To see some of the sights.
Yeah.
I'm sure I'm going to get bitten by mosquitoes, which reminds me.
I brought you some.
Okay.
So I brought him off lotion to make sure. So yeah, hopefully the weather will gonna be good for you, but we have fun. To make sure. We're gonna be there until I think it's only 3 days. We're gonna be going back on Tuesday. It's Friday today, and we'll go back on Tuesday early morning. So it's just about 3 days. So yeah, hopefully we're gonna enjoy there, and then especially to you, hopefully you're gonna be able to be okay with the weather. So yeah, it's our first out of the country together. I mean traveling together, because most of my recent travel it was just me. So he's not with me.
Yeah, she left me. I had to stay at home.
So yeah, hopefully we're gonna enjoy it, man. Where are we going? So ayan, dito tayo ngayon sa airport. So sobrang haba ng pila. Can you show them how long the queue? Yeah, it's very long queue. Hello. No. Hi, Tito.
Famous.
Ayun, hindi pa sila tapos mag-empake. So, ayun guys. Tapos lang namin sa immigration. So, ayun, medyo naging hassle and saka stressful ng konti. Kasi, nung nag-check-in kami kanina, actually, bag drop-off, ayaw nilang palabasin si Alex. Kasi, sabi nila kailangan niya ng visa for Vietnam. Pero actually, buti na lang, nag-research kami. Kasi sabi talaga ng immigration, hindi na dapat siya, hindi talaga nila inalaw siya. So, nakailang balik na ako. Tapos hanggang sa nag-research kung isa kasi tawagan namin yung mga embassy, like UK embassy, lahat na, pero wala na kasi nga gabi. So, buti na lang nag-research siya. Then, ngayon nalaman namin dun sa mismo immigration ng UK sa Vietnam na hindi naman pala niya kailangan. So, pinakita ko yun dun sa check-in counter. Doon na niya nausap yung supervisor na, pero di ba, grabe yung hassle lang. So, in-explain naman sa amin ni ate na yung hindi daw updated lang yun sa website nila. So, siguro talaga minsan, kailangan marunong ka din talaga. Kasi like kanina sa amin, hindi talaga siya naghanap, hindi siya nag-research. Naiwan na siya, or actually, hindi rin naman talaga sasama kung wala siya kanina. Hindi ko lang siya iwan na Christmas mag-isa. So, our second plan earlier was, if they didn't allow us, I asked them as well if we can reroute our ticket. So, ayun, pero ayaw kasi nila. So, anyway, in the end, nakalusot din naman kami. Kasi yun nga, pinakita namin yung screenshot galing talaga ng, yung sa immigration na. Hindi pala talaga niya kailangan ng visa. Kasi hindi naman kami mag-stay din more than 45 days. So, ayun, hopefully, siguro next time, parang sabi ko, lesson learned na next time, dapat double check din namin. Week before ng flight, mag-check kami kung kailangan niya ng i-visa. So, anyway, ayan. So, I was explaining to them what happened to the immigration.
Yeah, they weren't going to let me go.
Yeah, so next time, they said we should check as well if we need a visa or anything. So, hopefully...
Yeah, well, I didn't bother checking because I was pretty sure that I didn't need a visa for Vietnam.
Yeah. But hopefully, everything will go smooth when we arrive in Vietnam.
Yeah.
And then we will enjoy our Christmas.
So our next vlog might be from a Vietnam jail.
So, alam niyo po, sabi ko sa kanya, kasi kanina nung nakailang balik na kami, tapos sabi talaga nung sa counter, hindi nga daw talaga siya pwede. Sabi ko sa kanya, ayoko nang sumama. So, hindi na ako sasama sa mga kaibigan ko. Kasi ayoko naman siya iwan na mag-Christmas dito mag-isa. So, buti na lang, nag-research talaga siya habang nag-aantay kami.
They're here now.
Yeah.
Home?
Home.
Yeah, I
We got denied. What?
waiting for the taxi.
Really?
It wasn't allowed in. Deported.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hi, Ta. Ayan, nabudol. Angan. Dito pa lang nakita na sila. Check.
Temperature to take off stations.
Hello. Huh? So we just landed in Vietnam.
Customs.
Huh? Hello. Ay. Kaya nga. At saka buti na compute mo.
Nagulat yung bakit 70k ang binigay ko.
Hi. Where are we?
We're not going to jail.
I'm just gonna take video of them. Hello, Alexander. You go first. So yun guys, ngayon bibigyan ko kayo ng tour ng room namin dito sa hotel namin sa Vietnam. So, itong hotel namin is Rosa Hotel and Spa. So, ayan, come in. So, actually, second room na namin to kasi naglipat kami. Naglipat kami ng room. So, ayan. Ito. Dito muna tayo so, sa bathroom. Ayan. So, ito, shala naman tong salamin nila. So, alam ko, turn. Ayan, may ilaw.
That's
So,
nice.
ayan. So, ito yung pinaka-lababo namin. And then, ito yung shower. So, medyo okay naman siya. Tapos, oops. So, ayan. And then, meron pa ditong mga lagayan ng labahin. So, kung makita nyo, medyo okay naman yung laki niya. And then, sa ayan, mga towels. Dito, alam ko may ref. Ayan. Tingnan nyo yung laman ng ref. Do you want to see what's inside? So, alam ko ito, sinabi sa amin kanina hindi to free. So, kung gusto mo to inumin, magbabayad ka. So, ayan, hindi siya free. Kaya pag if ever man na may gusto ka inumin yan is, kailangan mong bayaran. So, ito, yung noodles, hindi rin to free. Babayaran mo din, pati to. And then, diba, ito, 65 dong. Basta yung palitan nila is 330 sa isang dong. So, ayan, tapos, yan lang. And then, TV. And then, dito, may cabinet naman. So, oh, it's not much of hangers, only 2. And the other one, they got more. So, ayun, medyo malaki siya. Wala lang masyadong hanger. Dalawa lang. So, hopefully, meron silang safety box. Looks like they haven't got safety box here.
No?
No. So, and then, ayan. So, ito, mayroon dalawang upuan, tubig. And then, ito ulit, side table. So, ayan. Tapos, yung pinaka-view namin, kabilang building lang din. Actually, guys, alam nyo ba? Itong room namin, pangalawang room na namin to, sobrang hassle niya actually nangyari sa amin. Kasi dumating kami ng 2 a.m. dito last night. So, yung room namin na to, yung sa hotel na to, is binook namin siya ng 22 to 26. So, dapat since kami dumating 23, bayad na namin yung 22 to 23, is ready dapat yung hotel nila. Kaso lang pagdating namin, hindi available yung isang room namin. So, parang ang nangyari, yung tatlo sa amin, nilipat nila sa kabilang hotel, pero hindi daw maganda, sabi nila. So, sobrang hassle. Alam ko, stress na stress yung friend ko sa pag-aayos. Tapos, ayan, yung, alam mo yun, sumasagot naman sila sa booking.com, pero ibang tao yata yung sumasagot sa kanya. Like, nag-request siya ng 3 beds dapat, kasi tatlo silang mag-share sa isang room. Pero wala daw silang maibigay, wala silang ganun. Pero nung nag-chat siya sa kanila, laging yes yung sagot. So, hindi namin alam kung naintindihan ba nila yung nire-request niya o hindi. So, anyway, in the end, so, yung ngayon, 23, ang ginawa naman nila, kasi ayaw ng kaibigan ko na dun sa kabilang hotel, dapat nga gusto niya maglilipat talaga siya ng hotel. Pero so far, pinagbigyan naman kami. So, nilipat sila, instead na 3 rooms, naging 2 rooms na lang kami. Kasi yung ginawa silang 5, pinagsama 5 sila sa isang room na. So, 3 beds na sila. So, kumbaga, tabi-tabi na lang sila. So, ayun lang. Tapos, parang naging hassle lang siya. Parang hirap din ata sila mag-English. So, hirap din sila maintindihan yung mga ini-explain namin. So, ayan, ewan ko, hindi ko masabi kung may re-recommend ba namin to in regard sa service nila. Kasi, yun nga, sobrang gulo talaga. What can you say?
The most important thing is working.
The aircon.
Yeah. It's very good.
Is it?
Oh, yes.
What's nasty to you?
There you are.
And what am I doing to you?
You hid all my stuff.
Will you put your socks on my face?
Well, that's because you hid all my stuff.
So is that being nice to me then?
It was payback.
Is it? What?
Waiting on
After I
you now,
waited
let's
for
go.
you for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
You're gonna tell me now that you're ready.
I'm waiting on you now.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Hello, Alexander. So, ayan, maghapon half off bus kami. So, ayan. Smile! Check! Ayun, picture sila. May Louis Vuitton doon, no? Si Tita Aning, tapos si Tim, si Jackie, si Alexander.
You haven't shown the star of the show yet. I know you're looking for that.
Yan. So, yung traffic nila dito parang almost the same lang din sa atin. Pero mabilis makakuha dito ng mabilis makakuha ng grab car. So, nasa bus na tayo. Yan, sila. Merry Christmas. Oh, look. You got a nice decoration. So, ayan. So, meron kaming headset dito para makinig. dito kasi sa mga history nila. Pero ito isa, sabi niya, kaya ayaw yung mag-headset kasi gagawa naman siya sarili niya yung story. Isn't it? That's why you don't want to have your headset. You just want to make your own story. So, ayan. So, nag-tour pa din. Ayan. So, yung Saigon River nila is 256 kilometer long daw.
This is the Mekong.
It's pork, grilled pork. Yeah.
It's tasty.
Is it? Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Masarap ta? Ha? How was your food? Oh, okay. So, 1 million yung kinain mo. Tanam-namin mo yan, 95,000 yan. Going nga.
Into a museum, is it?
Yeah.
There? Oh, let's
So,
go,
ayan,
go, go.
nag-appear na sila. Punta kami ng museum. Papasok kami ng museum. Thanks, Mayor.
Probably
Si Mayor, namimigay ng ticket.
the first.
So, papasok kami dyan. Tapos tingnan natin kung anong mako. Ayan. So, nawawala na yung dalawang senior. Hindi namin alam kung nasaan. Nasa labas pa din tayo ng museum. So, iba-ibang mga helicopter. Tapos yung kaibigan mong sobrang supportive, taga-take ng photos.
So Levy's just been recruited into the army. This is a new job.
Check! Boom!
If she can't fly,
I'm gonna shot
no
you,
one can
Alex.
fly.
Where's your head? I'm gonna shot them. Yeah, yeah! So, ayan, kakagaling lang namin ng museum. It's a war museum.
Yeah.
How was it? Did you read something in there?
Levy got fired from her job on the machine gun. So
What the
now
hell?
she's back to being a vlogger.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Was I? So, what can you say about the museum?
Oh, well, there's lots of interesting stuff.
Yeah, like there were young people there who even joined, help during the
Yeah.
war. So, meron nga dun babae. Basta parang ang bata pa niya, tapos isa siya sa mga tumulong talaga nung during war. Siya yung nagpo-provide ng like sa mga, yung mga weapons. Oo, tapos hanggang sa, pero grabe pinagdaanan niya. Isa doon like, nahuli siya, tinorture siya. The woman that I read earlier, I can't remember her name now, but I can remember it later. She was tortured when
Yeah.
they managed to get her. And then,
Yeah, it's
a lot.
nice.
yeah, that they did to her. So, how are you been doing? So, ayan, nag-vlog na kami ni
It's
Alex. Ayan, madami silang mga machine.
Huge
Yung mga
machinery.
senior pagod na.
Welcome to Vietnam! Come to Vietnam! Where are you, Alex?
So, ayan, hindi kami nakapasok sa museum kasi pasara na.
We weren't allowed in.
Ha?
I'm right, thank you. No, thanks.
I can't understand the flavor of the ice cream. Oops!
Coconut?
I don't know, it's like mix of durian. I can't explain it.
Oh, is your microphone on? Let me see. Oh yeah, it is.
I always make sure my microphone
But
is on.
is it nice? No.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I can't explain the flavor.
We won't be getting that again then.
Nga.
No.
Dapat papasok kami sa museum. Kaso sarado na. So, yung pera na binigay sa amin niya pang nirefund sa amin, binili ng ice cream.
What is she doing back there? Trying to sneak up on me, isn't she?
Wah! They scare you.
You can't scare me.
I think I did.
I could hear you coming.
So, I scared him today. It's the first time I scared him.
She's never
Isn't it?
scared me.
I scared him.
Oh, your microphone's on blue.
So I scared him today, but he don't want to admit it. I think I made him jump.
Did I look scared in the video?
Yeah. We're gonna let
The audience will
very
decide.
scared.
The audience will decide.
Ayan. So, ito yung mga street nila paggabi. Hello. So, we're going back now? From
The nightclub.
nightclub.
Yeah.
No, we just went to buy some pasalubong. So, ayan. Dito tayo ngayon sa Bantay Market. So, sabi nila, mas mura daw dito mamili ng mga pasalubong. Kaya dito kami pumunta. Kasi last night, pumunta kami sa kabilang market. Medyo mas mahal dun mamili. Dito, medyo mga mura-mura. Pati yung mga chocolates nila, kinikilo lang siya. 130 per kilo, mga 120. So, ayan, papakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung meron dito. So, you show them around nila what they can see. So, ayan. And then, siguro, titingin na kami sa loob. Kasi actually, nakapamili na ako ng mga pasalubong. Wala naman masyadong pasalubungan. Kasi kami lang naman, sa mga ka-work-work lang. So, ayan. Ngayon, mag-iikot kami. Tingnan natin kung makakapag-video tayo sa loob. Yep. So, ayan. Parang ito yung mga divisoria nila. So, you can show all of that thing. Like, that one. Yeah. And the other one. Can we show them that they're still not finished buying the chocolate? Sabi pinamili ni tita. So ayan, inubos na ni tita lahat ng candies. Madami silang mga exotic foods dyan. Iba-iba, walnuts. Yan. Sa Bantay Market. Dami nilang nabili. What did you get there? That's what you only got? Oh, is that yours? Oh, is it? It's a shame. You have to carry it yourself.
But you didn't buy any spices.
Yeah, we didn't find any snake. What have you got? You got your food? Oh. Huh? Oh, okay. You're gonna eat all of that. So, yun, pupunta tayo ng cruise ship today. So, mag-cruise ship kami ng dinner. Puppet show muna kami. So, nag-aantay lang kami ng yung tour guide. Tapos, punta kami ng puppet show. And then, dinner, cruise ship dinner. Ito kami nag-i-stay. Bulok na hotel. Binash yung hotel. So, yeah, our tour guide just arrived. Yan. So, manonood muna kami ng puppet show. So, ayan yung sasakyan namin. Kasama na yan sa club na binuk namin. Yan. Nagpa-vlog na ako, Tin. Hi, Tita Aning. Hello, Alexander.
As you can see,
Yeah.
I wore my best clothes.
Oh.
Welcome to Vietnam, welcome to Ho Chi Minh City. So how long have you been in Vietnam?
We just arrived yesterday.
Just yesterday in
Yeah.
Ho Chi Minh City.
Yeah.
And this is the first time you come to Vietnam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so all of you from the Philippines, right?
Yeah. Where can we buy a snake? Oops. Ayan, so manonood muna tayo dito ng puppet show, water puppet show. Where are we going, Alexander? Huh? Huh? Like, pahinga na agad mga senior. Ay, natakin. Oh, ta picture. May kasamang video. Yeah. Oh, it's Chiki. Taking photos.
Jackie's taking a photo of us.
Yeah, so, yeah, ayan, katatapos lang ng puppet show. Ang ganda niya. Sobra. Kasi sasama ko sa mga i-upload ko ng videos yung mga nangyari sa loob. So, ayan. Big enjoy. Did you enjoy it?
Oh, yeah.
So, yan. Dito na tayo ngayon sa ating destination. Ang ating boat. So, yan. Dyan kami sasakay. And then, ang magdi-dinner. Oh my God! Nakita mo daw crocodile. So, ayan. So, ayan, dito kami magdi-dinner for Christmas Eve. Hello. So, ayan. Tingnan niyo yung view. Maganda siya. Ayan. Pasok na tayo. Oh. Vlog. Huh? Yeah, I can see it here. Hello, Alexander. Oh, picturean ko kayo dali. So, ayan yung kasama ng food, ng ano namin, yung sa tour. Ito yung dinner sa cruise. Ayan. So, ito try natin. Alex, do you want to get your food? So, yun, mga sauce. Ito, ano yan? Ayan, sa mga seafoods. Ay, sorry na. Mashed potato. Wedge. Ano yan to? Ay, ito, may scallops. Oh my God, umaandar na yung bangka. Ayan, si tita. Kumakain. Ito, damihan mo na. Ayan, dami pa ditong dessert. So, ayan, kasama to lahat sa package na kinuha namin. Kain lang ng kain. So, ayan. Ayan, may mga noodles, soup, bread, ito is, ayan, grilled pork, one, then more pork, then, I think the one is chicken as well. I don't know, I'm finished. So they got some more in here. Hi, Alex! Are you enjoying it? So, ayan yung isa. So, umandar yung cruise ship habang kumakain kami. So, sana hindi kami madapa. Charot. So, ayan. Ayan, more dessert. Tapos, yan yung view namin habang kumakain. I check. Yan, so kumakain na sila. So, yung drinks namin dito is separate. In-order namin siya. Hindi siya kasama sa package. Yan. Masarap ta. Masarap. Like silent. Ah. Ayan. So, pabalik na kami ngayon. Ah. Someone's coming behind me. Someone's coming behind me. Sangyup sa Vietnam. Ayan. 229 lang to. 229 doon.
Pag hindi matamis,
Per person. Ang dami namang choices. Ayan. Hindi ko alam mga tawag. Do you think you're gonna enjoy it? So yun guys, ngayon is ipapack na natin lahat to. So hopefully magkasya to lahat dito. Tapos, ayan, unahin muna natin yung mga labahin. Ayan, so, ang gagawin ko dito, sa mga labahin natin, mga dirty clothes, is ilalagay ko siya sa plastic para at least hindi mangamoy yung mga malinis natin. So, dito natin lahat lagay yung malinis, clean clothes natin. So, ito kasi, hindi ko na siya tinanggal kasi nga, ito yung mga natira naming malinis na damit. Diba? Kung tingnan nyo gaano kadaming natira naming malinis na damit, mostly sa akin yan. Kasi kay Alex, kunti lang naman yung mga dala ng damit. So, hindi ko na siya masyadong, talaga, yung as in maayos na pagtupi. Kasi, lalabahin ko lang naman ito pag-uwi. Yung mga napamili ko kanina. What have they got there, my love? Yeah, you give me everything there. Baga may napapagamit ako sa kanila na yung bigla. Tingnan mo to, pinapadala niya sa akin para pati initan ng tubig. So, ayan. And then, ito. So, ito yung mga nabili ko kaninang shirt. Sa ano pala kami nabili kanina? Sa Bentan Market. Actually, ang ganda dun sa Bentan Market. Kasi, hindi naman as in, hindi siya yung sobrang ano. Pero, alam mo, walang magaling ka magtawad pala. Kasi like, yung friends ko, yung naging technique nila, mag-walk out ka muna para habulin ka ng mga nagtitinda. As in, totoo yun Kasi like, meron doon kaninang mga binibenta, 250 yung bigay sa amin. Nakukuha namin siya ng 100. Tapos like, meron ka mga, like yung, may item din doon kanina, binibenta niya sa amin ng 150. Ayaw talaga niya magpatawad. Like, tinatawaran namin na maging 60. Tapos, ayaw talaga, hindi daw talaga pwede, 80 daw. So, ginagawa namin, kunyari umaalis na kami, tapos habulin kami na, sige daw, okay na yung ganung price. Nagulat ako dun. I'm just taping. Sorry, check. So, ayun, nagulat. So, ayan, yung food namin dumating na. Nagulat ako dun sa doorbell. Anyway, friend yun. So, sila yung nagpa-deliver kasi ng food. And then, kinuha lang nila yung order namin. Alam niyo ba kung ba't ako nagdala nito? Kung ba't ako nagdala ng brain na handbag? Kasi sabi ko, baka marami kaming pamili. Natuto na ako dun sa Malaysia. So, ayan. Kaya dala kami nito. Sabi ko, in case lang naman, para kung may sobra or may marami na akong pamili, check-in namin to. So, ayun guys, dumating na yung order namin from Jollibee. So, ayan, nagkalat-kalat na yung lagayan ng spaghetti. So, yung order namin is, ayan, spaghetti nila tapos chicken strips. Diba, naming spaghetti. So, same lang naman kami ng order ni Alex. Tapos, ito is yung sandwich. Tsaka, ayan, drinks namin. So, ayan, magdi-dinner muna tayo kasi maya, magre-ready para pumunta ng airport. Way back home. Alexander? Hello? Uwi na tayo, check. Check. Saan tayo punta, check? Parang dami mo na pamili, check. Busog yung mga maleta mo. What? Mukhang sa'yo yung mga busog na busog ta. Busog na busog yung mga maleta mo ngayon. Kuwit dami mong napamili. Napabili ng bago na namang hand carry. Diba? Puno na yung ata ni tita, puro na hand carry. Sabi niya, delayed or cancel daw yung flight. Really? Really? Can I tell if you're lying?
Yeah, you can.
It looks like you're lying to me.
It's set on TV.
Huh?
That's what June's got to check.
Ah.
Oh wait, no, I'm not ready yet.
So, ayun
So
guys.
this video is about how much money we've made with 1,000 subscribers. We have made, and it's going to be a quick video, nothing. we're not monetized yet.
So, ayun, pauwi na kami. Nasa airport na actually kami. Nag-wait na lang kami para mag-check-in. So, our flight will gonna be 1 a.m. or 12:30.
But it's been delayed.
Oh, story maker.
Well, it said it had been on the TV.
What?
Or at least
I
it
didn't
did
see any announcement.
Well, we'll see. We'll see who's right later.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, ayan. Oops.
Okay.
So, yeah. We're going back
by the way,
today.
it said no camera somewhere. I
Right.
saw it. So if we
So,
get
he's
swept away,
really a story
it does. Look,
maker.
if you look around the side there, it says no camera. But oh well.
Story maker.
I'll show you how.
Where?
That round there, it says no camera.
Where?
They'll see it on the video.
Ewan ko, wala akong nakita. So anyway, nasa airport na kami. So, hindi na ako nakapag-video nung nag-out kami sa hotel kasi nagmamadali kami. Kasi tumawag pa kami kay Lola. And then, wala pang 9:30, nasa baba na kasi yung driver. Yung cloak na binook na nung friend ko. Yun yung mag-ano sa amin, yung magsusundo kanina from hotel to airport. So, I think it was just about 15 to 20 minutes from our hotel to the airport.
Yeah, if that. 10 minutes.
Didn't take that long.
Yeah.
Back to Philippines. Oops. First bag. Going now. Hello. Where? Are we going home now? I shouldn't bring you here. I shouldn't bring you here. I'm just kidding. On our way back to Philippines.
Well, maybe get on my plane.
Huh? Yeah?
Cali crew, take up station.
So we are now in Manila Airport.